So we've got a bit of a random video this time. Here's a few short clips from last weekend when we saw the Thomson family. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. We're at the Thomson family household. Yeah, we're having a lovely day. Girls have been showing us some dancings. They like their OMG and their LOL dolls. Yeah, so it's all of that sort of stuff. And
oh, hi guys, check it out. Okay.
Scarlett showed us her incredible. You're very proud of it, aren't you, Scarlett?
Yeah.
This is a house that you built.
Yeah.
The house that Scarlett built.
Yeah.
Instead of the house that Jack built. Well, I don't even know what that is really. Yeah, good. We're having a nice time.
If you were cold, you could have a blanket. I got one.
Well done, Trixie.
Mommy, I got one. Mommy, I got one.
Absolutely fuming.
Mama, I got one.
No.
I get another taker. Mommy, I get another taker.
So I hope you enjoyed those few short clips, guys. Bit of a random vlog this time because the other thing that I thought I'd do in this video, and it might be boring, so feel free to switch off now, like the video, and switch off now if you want. But I'm just going to take you through the real-time process of making a thumbnail for Food Review UK, partly just because I'm interested in how long it takes me myself, because I don't quite recall how long it takes me. Just going to do quite a simple one. I'm going to do the thumbnail from the review that we filmed last week with the Thomson family. So if you enjoy this, cool. If you don't, sorry about that. See you later. Okay, so I've got a photo shot. I'm not actually going to narrate it even. Well, will I? Much. I won't narrate it much. I think that's the slightly better version that I got because I was making some funny faces. So, duplicate, adjust the levels, which is the blacks and the whites and the greys. So I usually up the blacks and up the whites to make it pop a bit more. I copy the layout again, and then this time I will make the packaging pop. So I'm going to up the vibrance and the saturation on the packaging without making it look too fake. So I've done that on the packaging, but the problem now is that all of the human beings look too bright. So let's zoom in on my horrendous teeth. No, we're just going to cut around the packaging basically. Doesn't matter too much in the middle, but when I get to the edge I will probably put this layer in front of the border, because I will also do a border here. Borderlands. Let's go there. Good. I have to rasterize it. Cool. And then we delete the oversaturated human beings. There we go, that was a nice simple cutout. And this looks like it should be a simple cutout, especially as I don't need to, yeah, this is really straight, this is nice. And it doesn't, like I say, it doesn't really matter about the middle bits because yeah, you're not going to tell the difference on this bit. There we go, and we know that bit's already done, so we zoom out. Oh, was that bit done? Don't know. Boom. Done. Just going to cut that just to make sure. Right, cool. So we've now got that separated. So I'm going to do a new layer here. And I'm going to do a... Actually, I'm probably going to cut myself out as well, but I'll do that in a minute. So let's do probably an orangey border. This is like an orangey, this is like a golden yellow caramel colour border actually. So I usually try to do a similar colour to the packaging. Because with this thumbnail we got quite a lot of gap around the side, like the gap here. We can go for quite a thick border. I don't tend to go above 35, that'll be really thick. I'll probably just do like 32, yeah, that's alright. Then stroke, We'll probably go black because I think that's going to make it pop more. And again, we can go quite thick. So that's that. And then, do I want to put any text or emojis or anything? No, probably, it's probably alright. Let's just add some shading. So, gold. I mean, to be honest, because we've got a light colour here with dark in front, you almost want to make it pop more than darken. So I might do this instead, new layer, just to make it like pop off a bit more. And I might even go as far as to do white at the very edge, just to make it pop that extra bit. That probably got a bit too thick there. Well. And I will follow that through on the rest of it, but I'll just make it a bit of a transition from the other one. Yep, happy with that. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it is a bit empty here. No, like I say, I'm gonna put myself in the over the top anyway. What's going on? There we go. Rasterize that. Pop that on top. I only need to do this bit. So here I will roughly select that, and then roughly select this, and then do the rest with a eraser tool, because hair is choppy and a bit not opaque at the edge. So, or rather it gets a bit transparent at the edge, so you can like do this to make it look slightly more realistic. Okay, that's cool. I mean, that is fine, to be fair. So however long that took me, that was quite a basic one. 5 minutes. 5 minutes for a basic one. But I don't know if I want to put just basically like clickbait to encourage viewers to watch, really. What emojis have I got that I could stick on here? Nah, it's all just, it's fine as it is. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that process.